Welcome back. Futures indicating another rally at the start of trading this morning as second quarter earnings are off to a very strong start. Dow Industrials right now up 55. The NASDAQ is up 15. The S&P higher by 1.5 points right now. The Dow adding over 300 points yesterday. A seventh straight rally and the longest winning streak now since 2021 after banks reported better than expected earnings that really led the way. Dow Industrials up 366 at the close yesterday. The NASDAQ up 108. That was about 0.75% on NASDAQ and better than 1% on the Dow. Goldman Sachs is expected to report earnings before the opening bell this morning. We'll have those numbers for you as soon as they hit the tape. Then we've got Tesla, Netflix, IBM, United Airlines all coming out after the bell tonight. And the list goes on throughout the week and next week. Joining me right now is the Fitz-Gerald Group principal, Keith Fitz-Gerald. Keith, great to see you. Thanks so much for being here. What are you expecting from today's earnings, and how would you assess what you've heard so far from the second quarter reporting season?
It's interesting. I think we've got obviously much stronger numbers than many people expected, so that's fabulous because it's proof positive of what you and I have been talking about for well over a year, which is companies are a lot stronger than people think. I think we're going to see a split today. Goldman Sachs, I'm expecting some weak numbers. I think they're going to have a tough go of it. They've got write-downs. They've got troubled acquisitions. Investment banking revenues drop. On the other hand, we're going to see a whole lot about Tesla. They're going to be worried about margins, but people are missing the bigger picture, Maria. It's all about the energy. It's about rewiring the grid. I think there's great things ahead for that company. And I'm beginning to think about another split, maybe even $500 a share, 12, 24, 36 months from now.
Wow, that's incredible. If they would split again. Keith, what do you think Meta and Microsoft now partnering to offer new artificial intelligence software available to companies for the first time? This is the Meta AI model, dubbed Llama 2, will be free for research and commercial use. Once again, AI led the market yesterday and has been all year.
Excellent idea. It's fabulous. I wish it wasn't Meta because I think Mark Zuckerberg is a brilliant but very predatory CEO, as people who have just gone to Threads are finding out the hard way. So, this is a necessary development. It's a good development for Microsoft. It's a great development for Meta, as much as I dislike that company and won't own the stock. In fact, I tried to go short that thing yesterday, but probably may find out today I made a mistake.
Keith, what do you want to do second half of the year in terms of allocating capital at this point? Given all of that,
I want to stick with big tech because it's going to remain at the head of the class. I think we might tack on all the way to 4,700 on the S&P 500, so that's another 4 or 5% from here. I want to concentrate on defense, which is totally undervalued, and healthcare is becoming very interesting to me because it too, companies like AbbVie and Pfizer are really at the bottom of the barrel. People are pricing them like they're going out of existence. We know that's not true.
All right, we will leave it there. Keith, great to see you.
Hi, it's Keith here. Thanks for checking out today's highlight clip. What'd you think? Did I make sense? Is there something you'd like to add? Make sure you leave a comment down below, and of course, click subscribe to keep up right here on YouTube, or sign up for the email newsletter at the link below. You can also find me on Twitter and Instagram for my real-time thoughts on markets, analysis, and a whole lot more.